Priyanka Chopra in a saree, Nora Fatehi in a sexy gown, Bhumi Pednekar in a bandh gala. The weekend was all about fashion and how. The ongoing MAMI Film Festival and Bombay Times Fashion Week have us bombarded with fashion inspiration. And amongst the plethora of breathtaking looks, we have picked our favorites. First things first, when we say favorite, it has to include Priyanka Chopra. She yet again picked white for the third day of the MAMI Film Festival. And why not? White is the color of the season. PC oozed glam in a white saree with blue motifs, which she paired with a V-neck matching blouse. She wore matching jewelry with the saree, and once again, the whole internet was in love with her desi look. We caught a glimpse of Bhumi Pednekar as well, who looked festive ready. She wore a white bandh gala kurta paired with matching pants and pointed heels. Chic. Pyar Ka Panchnama actress Sonali Sehgal also brought in some festive inspiration with this bright look complete with elegant jewelry. The best part though was her white sneakers that made this look unconventional and quirky. Now let's move on to the Fashion Week. Nora Fatehi turned showstopper at the Bombay Times Fashion Week in Mumbai on Sunday. The fully embellished black nude dress made everyone's jaw drop. Then there was Sonam Kapoor, whose look showed her elegant side as she walked the ramp for designer Abhinav Mishra in an embellished ivory anarkali suit. Karisma Kapoor dazzled in a lehenga for RE India's Era collection. Rakulpreet Singh turned muse for designer Saman Chauhan. She rocked the look, we have to say. There was an award event too in the tinsel town, more than satiating our need for fashion over the weekend. Sobhita Dhulipala arrived all decked in ethnic wear along with one of the most amazing hairdos. Alaya F attended the event in a sexy red dress which we can think of wearing only if we work out as hard as her. Kajol experimented with her look. And we are not sure if it clicked with the fashion-hungry souls that we are. We really can't decide who looked the best. Would you help us? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for all things fashion.